Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SIM card error on your iPhone, or SIM card failure, or SIM card not working. You're going to go ahead and follow these steps to quickly fix it. Very first thing up top here, you're going to pull down that control center menu and then put your phone on airplane mode briefly, 10-15 seconds or so, and then turn it off. And that does a quick network refresh. As you can see, you're searching for network. Now, the next thing you want to do if you're still having issues is to see if there's a carrier update. So in your setting, go to General, and then About, and wait on this page for about 10-15 seconds. If you see a pop-up that says update carrier setting, you're going to click on update. If you don't see it within the 10-15 seconds, just move on to the next thing, which is going to be basically if you have actual SIM card in your settings here, you're going to go to cellular right here. And in the cellular section here, you want to verify your SIM card and the numbers are showing up. If you have multiple SIM card, make sure you have the line turned on. You're going to be an option that says turn on this line. You want to turn it on and off. And the same thing with cellular data. You want to turn on and off just to do a network refresh as well. Now, one other thing you might want to consider is if you see option to convert your physical SIM to an eSIM card, you may want to do that if your carrier supports that. And finally, if your carrier does support eSIM, it's highly recommended to use eSIM instead of a physical SIM card to avoid having these issues. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing to go ahead and do is just simply doing this method here. You're going to quickly press and release volume up or volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, then I hold down this side button here, and you just want to keep on holding until the screen goes completely black, and then you're going to see Apple logo reappear on the screen. At that time, you'll let go. This is basically a forced restart, which shuts down the phone software and then reloads the code. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. So all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. It's just a quick way to fix any software related issue that may be experiencing. So once it's turned back on, and you want to check if your SIM card is working. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is if you have the physical SIM card, you want to remove and insert it back in. So take a SIM ejector tool. If you don't have this, you can take a paper clip and bend it, or a earring piece, or basically anything that will go into the SIM ejector slot here on either on your left or the right side, depending on your iPhone. You're going to just simply see the SIM slot, just press it in there, pop it out with your finger, which is fine. Just make sure the SIM isn't damaged or broken or anything wrong with it. And then you just reinsert it back in. Make sure it sits nicely flush against it. And it's going to re-sync the SIM and your phone to make sure it is working. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is go back into your setting, go to General, and then scroll down to Transfer Reset iPhone. You're going to do a reset, and the network reset is the reset that we're going to do. So click on Reset Network Settings. It will reset the network settings. It will not delete any of your data, but important step to do. Now, let's say you did that and still not working. It's time to update the phone itself. In this case, you'll need to make sure that you're connected to the internet, or you can update it through a computer as well if you don't have cellular data, if your SIM card has a failure, right? So you're going to go into your setting, General, Software Update, and check if there's an update out. If there's an update out, you're going to go update it. Sometimes a previous update might have caused issues with the cellular connections or SIM, so you're going to go and update to the latest version. And let's say you did all of this and it's still not working. It's time to contact your carrier to ensure that there's no outage in your area, if your account is in good standing, or if they need to do anything on their end to make sure that the SIM card is still valid and works for your phone, which they can check for your account. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.